welcome to Beerstory from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'll show you how to assemble your bucket blaster. If you don't want to miss out on any videos from Beerstories, please click like and subscribe down the corner. You get the newest videos in your YouTube feed, you help me out and you help the channel out and make me very happy. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, that would also make me very happy. So the bucket blaster is the easiest way to clean your kegs. You can also clean your fermenter and stuff like that. Just beware if you have a fermenter that's wider than the bucket, you need to use a wider bucket because otherwise it would spray all over the place. But it's very easy to do. When you open this up, the first thing I noticed was there was not an assembly manual, so I had to figure it out. So I thought I'd make a video and show you how you do it. And it's actually really easy. So a quick overview: what's in the bucket. The stainless steel stand, the pump goes down on the plate. Then there's a pump, all the connections here, and they have to be assembled in this order. So this goes in there, and then the next one, and so on, and until the jet nozzle goes up here. And in the T section, you have to connect the hose. The hose has to be divided in 3 equal large pieces. So one here, and then divided in 2 out to the ball locks, and that's it. You have your steel stand that just goes in to the bucket. The pump, actually I've lined everything up here in the order you have to assemble it. So the first thing I'm gonna assemble is the spray wand and the jet nozzle here. And all this just goes on top of the pump. Just like this. So. And then you have to connect the ball locks, and they have this. The line has to be cut in 3 equal large pieces, and then just connect the line here to the T piece, and then the 2 lines on the T piece out to your ball locks, and that's actually it. It's that easy. It takes you about a minute or 2 minutes if you have to pack everything out at the same time. So that's it. And then all you have to do is place the pump on the plate. Just like that. Beware that the plate here is offset, so you have to place the jet nozzle in the center of this ring. And then it's just connecting up your keg and placing it on top here, and then you both get cleaned, all the valves, the ball locks, and of course the keg also inside. Super easy, just a genius thing that makes your brewing life easier. So yeah, I really recommend that. There are also other companies making similar products, so check out what's the best fit for you. But that was it for this video. If you stick around to the end, there are 2 videos up here that YouTube think you should watch. Please click like and subscribe down the corner. That will keep you from missing out on any videos from Beerstories, and you help out the channel as well. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, you can write to me through Facebook, Instagram, or my website beerstories.dk, or just write down the comments and I'll answer you. That was it. Have a happy brewing out there.